So in this video we're gonna discuss about the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, which is an ultra mobile from Xiaomi side. First of all, let's start with the display. This mobile comes with a 6.89 inches of dynamic fluid AMOLED display, and it is going to be a HDR10 plus supported Dolby Vision supported display. It is a 120Hz refresh rate display basically, and it comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. So this is all about the display. When we talk about the processor, as we said that Ultra mobile comes with the Ultra processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is a 3nm based octa-core 5G processor. It is a beast in the gaming and the daily use also. When we talk about the memory variants, this mobile will be available in 3 variants mostly: 12GB 512GB, 16GB RAM 512GB, and 1TB of internal storage with 16GB of RAM. So these are all going to be UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X Ultra Plus RAM types, the Ultra variants. When we talk about the cameras, this mobile is coming with a huge camera setup at the rear side. We can find triple rear cameras where we can find a 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and also a 50 megapixels of telephoto periscopic camera. We can shoot up to 3.5x optical and 100x digital zoom. So these back camera supports up to 8K 30 FPS video recording, and front it also coming with a 50 megapixels of front facing wide angle selfie camera, basically the square type of camera, and we can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS with this smallest front camera also. When we talk about the battery, to power up this ultra mobile, it is also coming with the ultra huge battery, that is 6800 milliamps of battery. Yes, and this mobile also supports 90 watts of fast charge through wire, and also a 50 watts of wireless and a 25 watts of reverse wireless charge. So yeah, it is also ultra in the battery segment also. When we talk about the operating system, this mobile runs on Hyper OS 3 on top of Honor version 16 out of the box. When we talk about the other features like this mobile's build quality, it is completely metal and glass build. Front and back Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and the frame is obviously the aluminum frame. And when we talk about this mobile's connectivity, this mobile comes with almost 18 5G bands, and it is also going to come with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack, and this one also coming with the IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance proofs, so that your mobile could last longer if it gets wet also. And when we talk about the connectivity, this one comes with the latest features such as Wi-Fi 7, Wi-Fi support, Bluetooth 6, and NFC features. This mobile also comes with other sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, everything. And when we talk about the colors, this one will be available in 3 or 4 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below that subscribe and like button, and with the other videos of my channel, you can also watch them from there. And when we talk about this mobile's extra features, like this mobile is when we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with a charger, cable, and a SIM tool, and a TPU case, and also quick start gains and stuff including the box of the mobile. When we talk about the price of this mobile is released in China. According to, if you convert that price to our Indian price, it will be roughly around 89,999. But if it comes to India, it might go above 1 lakh, 10,000 rupees, 1 lakh 5,000 rupees in between that price range, because of tax and everything. So that's all about this mobile. If you like this video, hit the like button and also that subscribe button. That's the important thing.